Hello, today I will be walking you through how to navigate this document and how to get students to submit their assignments if you decide to continue using this. So up here on top, we do have a couple of links. We have all of the Dannhauser books up here available to download because they are public domain. So feel free to download those and share them with your students via Google Classroom or whatever LMS that you are using. Underneath that, we also have a YouTube playlist, which has all of the examples for book one. It's about 160 of them that students can listen to and sing along with. There's a click track available for those. And then for the advanced students, I do ask that they use a drum loop in order to keep time. And the app that I'm using is called Loops. That's available to download on iPhone and Android devices. Now the differentiation I have here on top, which means that a novice student is actually not singing. They're just doing the signs in time. So if we look at the first example, it's all whole notes. A student would play this and then just do the hand symbols like this. And I do like to have the students pulse with the beat. And they would continue doing that. Now a novice student, a proficient student is going to be using the hand symbols and they're going to be singing. And this is still done with the track. So it would sound like this. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Right? And then the advanced student is going to be doing the hand symbols, singing a cappella with the drum track. So if we go all the way back here, and I'm going to add the drum track. Ready? Do, re, mi, fa, sol. And they would continue doing that until they were done. Now in terms of the video, students can record the video however they're most comfortable with. I find that some students are really comfortable using their phones. Others have used different programs with other teachers and they know how to do that. All we're asking is that they either save it to Google Drive or they upload it as a YouTube video so that they can get a link to it. Now students are going to have access to edit certain cells in here. So for instance, they can't edit anything here and they can't edit anything here, but they can edit these cells and these cells over here. So I already put an example, so I'm going to put my name here. Okay, and let's say I did the first one, which I didn't. I'm just going to copy this one. So my students are used to already having assignments be worth 50 points. So I'm just going to have them put 50. And then they are also going to link it to their video. So they're going to copy the URL from their video, and then they're going to hit Command K if you're using an Apple or Control K if you're using a PC or Chromebook, and then you're going to paste your link. That's Control V or Command V, and then you're going to apply. So that way when I see this, I know a student has turned something in, and I can click on their link, and I can assess their video.
And I will be recording number 22 from book 1.
So you can see what they're doing there. All right, and now, once as a teacher I'm done grading that, all I'm going to do is turn this from a 50 to a 0. And then I'm going to protect this, meaning I don't want anybody else, including the original student, to change this. This is already done. I'm never going to touch this again. If the kid's a freshman, then they can't do the same assignment ever in their entire career at your school. So this pushes them to do another assignment. And what you'll find is that the kids will find the easiest assignments to do first, but then they pretty much finished doing all the easy ones, so it forces them to do harder things, and it continues to force them to do harder and harder things in order to gain points. So I'm going to set permissions here so that only I can change it. And there you go. And that's how your students will submit their assignments, and that's how you can check them.